let's get started. So today we are going to look at another extension. So a lot of times we are designing and developing website that has icons in it, and based on your personal preferences, you might be using some other package or library or framework than I do. So the ones I prefer are actually font awesome. I use glyph icons too, Android icons too. So your preferences might be different, but the general process is same to add them in our project. We either use their CDN links or we actually download the whole package and put them in our project, which is actually a tedious task anyway. Either way, if we need to use more than one packages, we have to give the links of both, and I do not want to do that every time I have to use icons. I don't want to again and again provide the links or download the packages. I just want to use them at once. So to do that, I have installed a beautiful extension. It's called Icon Fonts. Let's search for it. There you go. There are actually two of these. One of them is actually legacy. Go for the one that has higher version. So this one has higher version and it's not legacy. Just go and it would have it in install button over here. Click it and install it. So let's see what kind of fonts this actually supports. So let's go down and go in prefixes. There we go. It actually supports Android icons. It supports the Creative Commons icons from the Adobe. It supports WordPress icons. It also supports one of my favorite font, Awesome Pro. It even supports Bootstrap glyph icons. It has material design icons from Google. It has glyph icon, octagons or GitHub octagons. So there are a lot of more like stack icons and a lot of more. Some of them I have not even used in my life. So there are some beautiful ones. Even foundation icons are here. So just install it. I will show how you could use them. As you can see, it has told us the prefixes, right? Which means all we have to do, if I wanted to use the Android icon, all I have to do is write AI, and it would start showing me what icons are available to it. For example, I want to use the Amazon icon. I would just press enter and I am good to go. Okay, let's use some other ones. Let's go for the glyph icon now. So to use the glyph icon, all you need to write is GL and it will start showing you all the recommendation it has. And if you know the particular one you want to, just search it online and just type it here and it will automatically show up right here. Let's go for the Apple one for now. Okay, let's look at some other ones. Let's look for one of my favorite fab icons or font item icons. So write FA, it would automatically start showing you all of the icons that are available. So let's go and look at one other. Let's make it our last one. Let's go for the GitHub Octi icons. All we have to do is to write Octicon or Octi, and there we go. It started showing us all of the icons that are available. So there are a lot of times when we have to use more than once. The reason for that, not all icons are available with all of the libraries. For example, I tried to search for balloon. I found it one of the packages but not in others. So there are times where you might be needing more than one libraries, and this is the perfect extension for that reason. Even if you do not need more than one library, why add it again and again when we have one extension that could make work easier for us? So that's it for this video, guys.